Good evening, good afternoon, or good morning. I'm Lord Hudson, and today we are playing City Skylines and making a park. At least that's the idea. I had this idea, and I'm not sure if it's in here. It's not. With the new update, we had the ability to build. Yes, it is in here. The ability to build foundations. And that's being, what are the structures? Alright, so this is weird. Castle wall. And basically what I wanted to see, and let's make this a little bit bigger, because more room is better, is if we could like do something like this. And let's just make this bigger. Oh, come on. Let's see. Do we have prop anarchy on? Yes, it is. But anarchy itself is off. There we go. We might actually do it like this. Okay, so it's kind of looks like we need doors, right? I think we need doors. So what if we do this and we do it looks weird. I'll give you that. Let's see if we can do it a little bit better on this side. Oh. It does look kind of crinkled up, doesn't it? Can we make it at least a little bit more prettier? It still has some weird clipping. Does that matter if you look at it from this height? Not really. But it's foundation, so we might as well just do it like this, and let's have a curved wall here. I want a road to go in between here. So let's see what we can do here. And then have this go all the way out there. Oh. Alright. Let's just make little room dividing foundation work. Oh, that's new. I guess I opened the gates to Hades. What if we delete this and just go like that? Okay, then we get a weird clipping again. Alright. I know when something doesn't work. This works okay-ish. Alright, so this now looks like nothing. Let's try to make it into something. Where is the dirt road? We don't have a dirt road here. That is weird. I can't expect that we still had that. Let's see, maybe. Well, we have a pedestrian. Okay. Let's see how that pans out for us. Let's just do it like so. don't have the options, I think, to remove the lights. Do I? No. Okay, so we have the lights are already installed then. That sometimes happens. Let's see, can we get through here? Like, alright. And I actually do want to have a little bit of regular road coming in here. So I'm just gonna go with this road like so, and from here on out. So if this, we have this little transfer and 30 kilometers an hour sign. Now we're gonna go prop mad because we really need props here, and I have no idea where they are, so it's a lot of searching. Because the props also changed position, I think, with the new update. We have cranes here, but not the type of crane I want. We do have a lot of this. It's just too damn big, though. Or is it? Yeah, it's too damn big. We've got, okay, a little barrel like that doesn't hurt. And let's see, we have more stuff, a lot more stuff. Man, that's a man truck. Yeah, we could have one of those. I have to look at my prop count though. Excavator, also something that we definitely need. Lift truck, no. Yeah. What construction site does not have this? So let's just place it there, and I think we also have a porta potty. So we just now traffic barrel, those things. No, we have better ones. We have the traffic cone, and we can just yeah, actually I'm gonna place these here. And we're gonna use these a little bit more sparingly, because I don't want to use up all my props on this. It's still limited. And we have somewhere in here we have this nice little traffic thing. No idea how those things are called, but basically they're trailers with an arrow on them to say, okay, you cannot go here. No. Dump truck. We definitely need a dump truck. And we're gonna place a dump truck right there. Actually we are not. Let's see. Yeah, let's move this. Cause cars can go over here if we... They should not. People can go over here. Because this is a pedestrian road. So that's pretty safe. Let's see. Yeah, who doesn't want to have a Skyhawk Brazil in their construction area? A Jersey barrier is also something that we might use. We have to see if let's see, hopscotch, go-kart, Doctor Who police box, a gift shop, sure. These things. I've got another one that actually points to the right direction. This is a Dutch design, but we also have these cones, so I guess we could use both. This one, and let's just place that there. Right, we're already at 16, and we definitely need a crane. And speak of the devil. Actually, let's place 2 of these. And yeah, I'm not going to use my props as sidewalk. A portaloo, and definitely need a portaloo, which will be near the little office building, of course. Let's see, do we have any more stuff that we can use? A Nuka-Cola machine, not really. I'm not gonna fence it all in. Because that would just eat up my props. The Ferris wheel, definitely not. And fishing pier, no use. Picnic pavilion, no. I thought I also had some smaller piles of stuff. Daisies on grass, well that's great. Buddha statue. CCTV, no. Just got a lot of stuff here. Container stack. And let's see. There's not much on this side. Maybe here. Let's see. Nope. Okay, this is just that. Well, these are just plants. I may have something here. Let's see. Nope. We do have a trash pile, which is something that we definitely could use on multiple locations. I do think we have here some. Yeah, look at that. This is more promising. And of course we still have to fill this in with concrete. That makes more sense than grass. Again, don't want to go crazy here with all this, but we're still in the green, so let's just place 2 together here and have a couple of piles like this. And it's starting to look like something. Does that make sense? It kind of does, but without these. Shit. Okay, did not meant to do that, but okay, this one is, yeah, it's already there. Let's see. I think there was a copy function. What was it? I know there was a copy function. I have no idea what that is, so we're just gonna have to go back and place it again. Luckily it has an image, so we can skip over a lot of crap. Where are you? There you are. And yeah, let's turn it like that. Let's see if we can I'm not too happy about the edges though. What if we make it all gravel? How does that look? You kind of lose the road, which this is clip. Creates holes in the terrain. Why would I want to do that? Okay, that makes no sense. That is grass. This is... what kind of grass is that? That's field. Ruined. Gravel and concrete. That kind of looks okay. Let's see if we can find the concrete props. So it used to be on this side. Oh no, that is in regular parks, I think. They're not considered props as such. They're definitely not there. Definitely not here. There might be something. Ooh, look at that. A road roller. We just call it the steam roller, but... and another. So we can definitely use that. A roof platform, I have no idea how to use that. Yeah, we could have a couple of barrels. I'm getting sidetracked. I'm still not too happy about how this looks though. So we don't have concrete. That kind of makes me sad. So I want concrete. Ah, look here, look here. This is snow decal, ice decal. We have paving, tiling, and fallen leaves. Old asphalt, which we could place, but we don't have enough. And this is 3x3, 4x4. So this is the biggest one, which is no way near big enough for everything. So I think we still have to work with this. Let's see if we can make some design that makes this more logical. Kinda does. Let's see. Just do it like this. It's not perfect, but it's definitely something that works. Let's see how it looks at night. Alright, so we need some lighting here. Lighting is common. And we got an orange floodlight. Yeah, what do we have more? Wall mounted. cannot raise those things, can we? Nope, I don't think so. We have lights here. If anything that will work. We have a light column that does not produce light. Let's see, does this thing actually works? Oh yeah, look at that. You can barely see it in the daylight, but it actually blinks. Okay, let's see if we have 14 bits left, so we might. I'm not gonna do some killing, but we can do something with this old asphalt. Let's break it up a bit. Let's see. And we have more crap left. Let's see. Do we have anything here that's useful? Not really. If these is small piles, but I think industrial has more to offer. So we can have a couple of these. Just spread about. Now let's do this one. Right there. One there. I'm really curious how this will look in the whole of the city. Place it there. We got 3 more places to go. Okay. For some reason there is this clipping here. Not really sure why. Might be just within the. Yeah, I think this is something with the model. And this is our. Okay, so we have to do it with this. Still some grass coming through here. Not 100% sure. And these things crate pal, crate. Not sure if they're all vanilla, because this is going to be a big list of props that you're gonna have to have in order to use it. I'm kind of happy. If this video makes it up to YouTube, it means that this prop actually has made it to the workshop, so you can download it if you like it. If you have tips on how to change that and improve on it, then let me know. Maybe there are props in the workshop that I don't have that would be perfect for this. So just drop a comment if you have any suggestions. If you like what you see, then leave a like. And if it's in the workshop, I will definitely leave the link in below this video. I just look. It just suddenly strikes me that the crane looks kind of chopped off here. I'm not sure. So you can look at it from this. That does kind of look like construction area. And you could do them back to back. You know what? I'm gonna run some tests with this, and maybe I'll record it, and you can see that behind this video. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.